All right, so I'm going to give you a partial answer sheet for our triangles review worksheet. We have a test on Wednesday, and I wanted you to know if you're on the right track. So the first part is triangle congruence, or CP/CTC. So you're looking, it says complete each congruent statement by naming the corresponding angle or side. We're looking for side ST. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can highlight it there and then find the side that goes from the middle, from the vertex S, out to the two arced angle. So the middle S to the two arced angle would be SG. The other way you could do it is you could look up here in the congruent statement. ST matches up with SG. So those would be the two ways that you would be able to know what are the corresponding parts, corresponding angles, corresponding parts. Okay, I'm going to let you figure out P, but again, remember what we just did over here and translate it over here. The second one says using the triangle sum theorem, solve for X. Well, the triangle sum theorem says angle plus angle plus angle is equal to 180 degrees. So we have one angle, which is 22x plus 1, our second angle of 69 degrees, and our third angle of 66 degrees will equal 180. And then we'll go 1 plus 69 is 70. 70 plus 66 is 136. I'll have my 22x right there, plus 136 equals 180. And then I will subtract 136. 180 minus 136, borrow 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4, is equal to 22x. Divide by 22. You get x equals 2. So x equals 2 in that situation. Okay, again, I'm going to allow you to try number 4 on your own. Recognize that that is a right angle, a 90-degree angle right there. So that should help you with that question. The next question says, using the triangle sum theorem, find the measure of angle A. So this is A, so this is angle A. So what it is it's just one step further than the one we just did. So you have angle A plus angle B plus angle C. A plus B plus C equals 180. And then we're going to solve this equation. Combining like terms, you have x plus x, which gives us 2x. You have 60 plus 81, which is 141, plus 47. So 141 plus 47 would be 188 is equal to 180. We're going to subtract 188, and you get a negative 8, and that's equal to 2x divided by 2. X equals a negative 4. And you can have x equal to a negative 4. That's fine. What you cannot have is you cannot have a negative, excuse me, I'm going to highlight that. You cannot have a negative angle. And it asked for angle A. So we're going to take our negative 4 and we're going to substitute it in to x plus 60. So x plus 60 is negative 4 plus 60, which would be 56 degrees. So I'm going to put 56 degrees for angle A. And since 56 degrees is a positive number, that can be right. And since the angle is acute, that can also be right. The way to confirm that this is correct is also to take our negative 4 and substitute it in for our angle here, x plus 81. So negative 4 plus 81 would be 77. And if we were to add up the three angles, back to the triangle sum theorem, they would have to equal 180. So let's go 56 plus 77 plus 47. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20. On the right track. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus another 7 is 14, plus 4 is 180. degrees for the three angles over a triangle. And based on the triangle sum theorem, we know that we are correct. Okay, using the triangle sum theorem, vertical and supplementary angles, find the measure of each indicated angle. Okay, so we're looking for our question mark over here. So we have to start over here because we have a triangle and we have two angles and we need to find the third. So 60 plus 80 is 140. And if there are 180 in each triangle, we know that this is 40 degrees because 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. And then we know that we have 40 here and we have 85 here. How do we figure this one out? Well, that's that supplementary line. So we know that these angles are supplementary. So 40 plus 85 is equal to 125. And then if we go 125, 180 supplementary minus 125, that'll give us 55 degrees. So this is 55 degrees. And then we have another triangle. So, so you can add them together, or you can write an equation if you want. I probably should have been writing equations the entire time. 55 plus 35 plus my question mark equals 180. 55 and 35 is 90 plus my question mark equals 180. And then, so you subtract 90 from both sides. Sorry, I'm rushing the gun. You get my question mark is equal to 90 degrees. So this one right here, 90 degrees. As you look at this image, it's a little bit different. The one thing that I would highlight here is my right angle box and let you know that's 90 degrees. And then you want to start in the triangle that has two angles already. So you would start in this triangle right here, solving for this piece and then the other piece. Okay, let's flip it over on the back. Let's look. We have 30 degrees here, so we know that we have 30 degrees here because they are vertical angles. If we have 150 on this straight edge, straight line tells us supplementary. So if we have 150 here and the straight line is 180, we have 30 degrees here. So if we have 30 degrees here and 30 degrees here, that's 60. And then we have a third angle here, which has to add up to 180. So this has to be 120 because 120 plus 30 is 150 plus another 30 is 180. And then we have our 9x minus 3, which is on a straight line with the 120. So that's supplementary. So 9x minus 3 plus 120 is equal to 180. So 9x plus 117, because negative 3 plus 120 is 117, equals 180. And then subtract 117. 180 minus 117 would be 63, equal to 9x. When you divide by 9, you get x is equal to 9 times 7. So the answer here is x equals 7. I'm not going to do numbers 11 or 12 for you. I'll let you know that's a vertical angle. And then you have supplementary here. So 130, that would be 50 degrees in there. So you have your three angles and use the triangle sum theorem. And on the bottom half, we're going to look at these. And I'm going to run out of time. So I'm going to say use your triangle congruences here and figure them out. And we'll go over these on Monday. Have a good day. I hope this helps. Have a good day.